Once upon a time, in the enchanted land of Sparkleton, there lived a beautiful and cute fairy named Bella. With shimmering wings and a heart full of kindness, Bella was adored by all the creatures of Sparkleton. However, her heart belonged to a young prince named Oliver. Prince Oliver lived in the neighboring kingdom, and Bella had first seen him during one of her moonlit flights. His kindness and bravery had captured her heart instantly. Determined to express her feelings, Bella decided to help the kingdom whenever she could, using her magical powers to bring joy and prosperity. One day, a fierce storm threatened Prince Oliver's kingdom. The wind howled, and rain poured relentlessly. Bella, with her magical abilities, summoned a rainbow to guide the prince and his people to safety. Oliver was amazed by the beautiful spectacle and felt a mysterious warmth in his heart. As time passed, Bella continued to perform acts of kindness, secretly assisting the kingdom. She healed crops, whispered words of encouragement to the animals, and made sure the sun shone brightly on the kingdom. Eventually, Prince Oliver discovered the source of these miracles and found Bella, the cute fairy with a heart of gold. Touched by her selfless love, Oliver and Bella's friendship grew into a deep bond. The two kingdoms celebrated their unity, proving that love and kindness could conquer any storm. And so, in the magical land of Sparkleton, the cute fairy and the brave prince lived happily ever after, their love a shining example for all. The story of Bella, the fairy, and Prince Oliver teaches us that true love is expressed through selfless acts of kindness. Bella's unwavering dedication to helping others and making the world a better place showcases the power of love that goes beyond appearances. The moral is that love is not just a feeling, but a series of actions that bring joy, happiness, and unity. It reminds us that by spreading kindness and compassion, we can create a world where love triumphs over adversity, making the journey of life more magical and fulfilling.